Welcome back, Bantaj, to the episode 3 of my series, A Short Trip to South India. So today I'll be taking you on a virtual tour to one of the huge and a marvelous church of Trivandrum known as Vettukadu Church.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
People from all parts of Kerala and outside, irrespective of their caste and creed, come to this church seeking the blessing of Christ, the King. The architecture of church from inside was so stunning that I couldn't take my eyes off from that view. I'll be honest with you guys, this is the biggest church I have ever seen.
So guys, if you are coming to Kerala, then this is the must place to visit. It is known as Vettukadu Church. Also, it is known by another name which I'll be mentioning over here. Definitely बहुत लोग ये मिस कर देते हैं. तो अगर आप केरला आ रहे हो तो इसको मिस मत करो. I think the time which I spent to come here is worth it.
Finding life along the way.
इतना घूमने के बाद पेट पूजा तो बनता ही है.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls.
After completing the Pet Puja, we went towards a popular picnic destination of Trivandrum district, which was Veli Park.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. Till my
If you want to spend some quality time with your family, then this is the perfect spot for you. There are also some boating services available, but हमारा तो plan था कि पोवर में boating करना है. So we were just enjoying this view and we also shot some B-roll shots. But I would suggest you guys to take the poor boating instead of boating in Veli Park, because at the same price you can enjoy the mangrove forest tour in poor. Also there were mini trains available, but हमारे पास तो इतना टाइम नहीं था, तो हम लोग ने सिर्फ यहाँ का प्राइस पता लगाया. So the cost for per adult was ₹50 and for kids it was 30. So guys, as you can see, the speed boat का कॉस्ट बहुत ही ज़्यादा है, ₹1000. मैं आपको यही रिकमेंड करूँगा कि आप पोवर का बोटिंग करो. यहाँ के बोटिंग पे अपना टाइम एंड मनी वेस्ट मत करो. You need to cross this floating bridge which will take you from Veli Park to Veli Beach. It's just a 10-minute walk from the park to the beach.
till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Guys, मैं यहाँ के beaches के बारे में क्या ही बताऊँ. All the beaches were so clean. I had just one wish in my mind. काश ऐसे clean beaches मुझे मुंबई में भी देखने मिले.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Sitting in the beach, getting hit by the cool breeze, and the evening was spent. अगर आपको पता नहीं कि ये बंदा कौन है, he is my best friend and also my cameraman.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
So guys, we are now at Veli Beach. I hope you saw the video of Veli Park also. Actually हम लोग ने प्लान किया था कि बोटिंग करना है, but then tomorrow we are going to Poor Island, तो वहाँ पर हम लोग बोटिंग करेंगे. So guys, we entered Veli Park and then we crossed the bridge and then finally we entered Veli Beach. तो यहाँ पर तो sunset हो गया. Now we are planning to go to Mall of Travancore. I have heard that is the like biggest mall in Trivandrum. तो वैसे भी एक बार visit कर लूँगा. And after that, what are the plans? वो अभी तक फिक्स नहीं किया है, तो stay tuned.
After 7 p.m. the Valley Park was fully lightened up and the view was so amazing.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
We were quite curious to see the view of Vettukadu Church when it's dark, so we thought on our way to Mall of Travancore we can do a short visit to this beautiful church.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
And finally we reached the Mall of Travancore, which is the famous mall of Trivandrum.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see.
By the time we reached the mall, we were dead tired, so we were looking for food court where we can just sit and relax for some time.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands.
Finally we reached the food court, relaxed for some time by having a cup of coffee, also taking a small time lapse. Guys, on my next video I'll be taking you on a virtual tour to one of the best destination of Kerala, which is Poor boating. So guys, thank you for watching this video till here, and if you support me I can travel more. If I can travel more, I can take you more on a virtual travel. Having said that, signing off, आपका बंटा है noob vlogger.